Welcome back to Will and Dad's Outdoor Adventures. Today we're going to raft 2 hours down the river from Bentinck Centennial Park to Cedar's family campground. The man who gave us a ride to the start gave us paddles and said you're going to need them.
The driver recommended that we have these paddles because he was concerned about us crashing into trees. And now I'm glad we have these paddles.
So we've decided that William is responsible enough and has enough swimming experience that he can take the raft on his own. So for the first time we're going to detach and go down the river separately. We've got a 2-hour float, so hopefully both of us make it to the campsite safe.
I got it.
You're still attached, buddy.
What? I swear I detached.
Goodbye, my son. Be brave.
I've been having a lot of fun. We've been going down the river for about 15 minutes. And there's a lot of trees, so I have to paddle around them. But otherwise, it's really fun. And I'm having a great time.
Okay. How's your rafting?
Good, but I ran into a bunch of sticks.
Then what happened? I saw you flying down the river without your raft. Did you get tossed off?
Yeah.
Then what happened?
And then, I fell, and then I grabbed the tree, and then I caught my raft and my paddle.
Well, we're all back in one piece. We got the raft, the paddle, and William all back together, so we're gonna keep going.
And my pillow's deflated.
That's okay. Hop on. Can you get on or need help? Here, I'll hold it for you. So Will and I have both taken soakers now. We've both fallen into the river. Just taking a little break on the bank to catch our breath and getting ready for our next part.
Yeah. Just taking a little break. Then we're gonna get back in the river.
We decided, due to the extreme nature of this adventure, that we would reattach our rafts together and hopefully we will both survive. It's been harrowing so far.
Over the last 15 minutes days of the trip, I've been barely avoiding trees. There was a bunch of brush I was brushing up against. And now we're in rocks. Very, very shallow rocks. And now we're brushing the bottom. And I can touch the bottom. And there's a bunch of rocks. So we're probably just going to get out of these rocks and keep going. See ya? Where? Like where? We were paddling down the river, and the rapids were like sucking us down the sides into the deep ends with like lots of sticks and logs. But we managed to get out of that. And the river is going nice and slow now. I wish the guy said 2 hours of extreme jump instead of 2 hours of river rafting. I'm freezing cold because of the wind. How long has this taken so far?
I don't know.
Like 2.5 hours? 3 hours? Oh, I know it's taking a long time. Okay, Dad, you better put down the camera.
Oh, is it looking hairy up there? Oh boy, here we go again.
Yo, Dad, put down the camera.
What do you got your paddle ready for?
Hey, Dad, tree.
Alright.
There. We were paddling and we saw this really cool, like, it looks like a landslide happened or something, I don't know. But it's really cool.
Yeah, it's a big, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, but it's really, really cool.
Big dirt hill we're going to float by.
Yep.
A big, like, canyon we're going to float through.
Yeah. So, I'm excited for that. See you in a bit.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, very, very cool. Looks like someone dropped a line of dynamite on the top.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole thing fell down.
Now is the time for adventure.
Can you fit it in the back? Please? Please?
Ah! This part's chill compared to the other part.
Yeah, way more chill. It's so nice now.
action?
Yeah.
Can you handle it this time?
No. Can you? How hard is it to Yo, heads down. Ah! I mean, heads up. Oh, Dad! Dad!
Oh boy.
Heads around! Dad, 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 Dad.
Well, we finally made it back to our campsite.
Yeah.
We thought it was going to be a bit more of a chill trip, but oh gosh, but it hasn't been. Hope you enjoyed watching our adventures.
Yeah. And if you enjoyed, then smash